Good day, sir. In this video, I will discuss the Fibonacci sequence. First, saan nga ba galing ang salitang Fibonacci? The word Fibonacci was nickname of Leonardo of Pisa. Fibonacci or Leonardo of Pisa is one of the greatest European mathematician of the Middle Age. He was born on 1117 and died on 1240. He introduced the Arabic number system in Europe. Punta naman tayo sa origin ng Fibonacci sequence. Saan nga ba ito nagmula? Fibonacci sequence was discovered after an investigation on reproduction of rabbits. Nanggaling ito sa pair of rabbits kung saan inobserbahan nila ang pagdami ng pair ng rabbit kada buwan. Example, sa first month, ano pa lang sila dito? Mga bunny. Tapos next month, ano na sila? Adult. In the third month, may new pair. Next month, may third pair na. In fourth month, may new pair ulit. So, means, Fibonacci is an integer in the finite sequence. 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13. Of which first two terms are 1 and 1. Each succeeding term is the sum of two immediately preceding. In short, sa sequence na to, para makuha ang next term, pag-add mo lang yung dalawang term. So, sa sequence na to, hahanapin natin ang pang-8 term. 1, i-add natin sa next term is 2. So, ang third term natin is 2. So, 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8. 5 plus 8 is 13. 8 plus 13 is 21. So, ang pang 8 term natin is 21. Para mas maintindihan natin ang Fibonacci sequence, magbibigay pa tayo ng isang example. 1, 3, 4, 7, 11, 18, 29, 47. Hahanapin natin dito ang pang 10th term. So, ipag-add lang natin ang magkakatabing sequence. 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 plus 4 is 7. 4 plus 7 is 11. 7 plus 11 is 18. 11 plus 18 is 29. 18 plus 29 is 47. 29 plus 47 is 76. Ang pang 9th term natin ngayon is 76. So, pag-plus natin ito para makuha natin ang 10th term. 47 plus 76 is 123. So, ang pang 10th term natin is 123. Gets ba? Bye-bye. Bye.